go! So today, I'm cooking some paella. So I had some paella back in Portugal and I was craving it, so I'm about to make you guys some. So we have about 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. We have a tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of oregano, some black pepper, and salt to taste. So you're gonna start off by marinating the chicken with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The oregano goes in, the paprika goes in, black pepper, sea salt. You know what? Just dump all that shit in. Then you're just gonna coat the chicken until it's nice and mixed together. Okay. After you have marinated the chicken, you're gonna stick that into the fridge and let that sit for a little bit. So I'm gonna start by prepping the rice next. We have about 2 cups of rice, 3 cloves of garlic, then about a teaspoon of red pepper. Start off in a pot, take the garlic and the pepper. And I'm gonna drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give that a little stir. Stir it around for about 1 minute. Then you're gonna go in with your rice. Pour that in and give it a stir. And let this sit in here for about 3 minutes. It's gonna take about half a bunch of Italian parsley, 1 bay leaf, and then zest of 1 lemon. Put that in. Dump that in there. And then you're gonna take 1 quart of chicken broth. So I'm using low sodium. Pour that in. There you go. Cool. Give it a little stir. Now you're gonna let this simmer for about 20 minutes. And just cover it with a lid and bring it down to medium-high heat. Now that the rice is in preparation of cooking, I'm gonna start by cooking up the chicken. Put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the pan. Toss in chopped onion. So this is 1 whole onion right here. Stir this around until they get translucent. You're gonna toss in your chicken thighs, just like that. I'm gonna cook it until it's nice and golden brown on both sides. Next, we're gonna pour in 1/2 cup of peas, 1/2 of red bell pepper, chopped up, just like that. 1/2 package of little weenies, toss that in as well. For seafood, I'm putting in a handful of shrimp and a handful of mussels. After all this is in, you're gonna cover it all and let it sit in there until everything is cooked nicely. Now that the rice is done cooking and all the toppings are done, I'm gonna take the bay leaf out of the rice, place it to the side like that, and stir the rice mixture up, just like that. I don't know if you can see anything, there's so much steam.
We get it, we vape, bro.
Gonna take the rice, gonna toss it into a serving pan. Take the chicken, just toss your toppings.
Taste testing with Jonathan.
Yummy. You gotta get a little piece of everything.
Wow, this looks good.
How it be, how it be.
Wow. Good. No, it's really good actually. I'm impressed. You do know how to cook.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with Will.
Oh.